Hello! Wow, they cleaned it now, guys. They cleaned it. Oh, 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 oh. Hello, everyone. Look at this. Ang gandang tignan, guys. Malinis. Wow, 4 days. After 4 days of storm. Look at this. Ang sarap maglakad. Look at that. Wow. Ayan pa isa natitira. Ang taas pa. Wow. Sana all. Siguro tonight the other side too. The other side is not clean yet. There. Here. Look at this. Imagine. Dito ako nagdidig nung 1 day after the storm. Grabang isno dito. Ayan o. As you can see, handyan pa. Isang bangin pa yan. Wow. Magtatapon tayo ng basura, guys. Ang basura namin is basura day to day. Basura day to day. Ang daming basura. Ang daming basura, men. Ayan ang basura. Marami kang mapupulot dyan. Alright. Wow. Ganda, oh. Linis. Ang linis. Let's go walking. Ayan pang iba. Lilinisan tonight. Wow, ang linis. Grabe. Only one-sided. Every street is only one-sided. At least malinis na. Masarap na maglakad. Sarap na maglakad, guys. Sarap na maglakad. Wala nang masyadong traffic. Talagang wala nang traffic. Oh, both side dito street na ito is because hindi busy, it's busy street. Sa main road. They clean it both side. See, wala na yung mga bundok-bundok na snow dyan. Ay, salamat. Nakakaginhawa na mga paalegs. Ay, salamat, Lord. Nawala din mga bundok na yan. Five days after storm. Ito na po. Na-clean na siya both side. Mga main road. Pero sa highway, na yun? Nauna na yun. Kasi highway yun. Tapos sunod-sunod nila yung malilit na street na. Alright. Thank you for watching. Yehoo! Snow pa rin. 5 days after storm. Huge storm. Parang lang. Parang dumaan lang mga snow. Ay! Gandang tignan, oh. Ang linis na, guys. Ang linis na ang paligid. Yahoo! 5 days. after the huge storm. Nakasunod na storm. Twice. Only 2 days different. Parang bagyo ata yun. Bagyo. Diba? Pero mga ano pa, mga street pa na hindi talaga clean. Ito, hindi pa clean eh. Both side. Hindi pa clean. Oh. Inuuna talaga yung pinaka-busy na street. Opo. Slowly, slowly, but surely. Alright. Sidewalk is not clean yet. This one. Sidewalk, no. This one is not clean yet. Oh boy. Maybe tonight. They're gonna clean tonight. Alright. Asin case yan. Pag madulas dyan sila kukuha. Pero they need to clean first this one before they put the salt. Para tayong lasing. Ala, ba't ganito nang look like? Para nang ano, alahar. Para nang alahar ang look like dito, guys. Alahar. Parang may sumabog na bulkan. Grabe, tinambaklat dito. No? As you can see. There. Look at this, guys. Wala nang traffic. Wala na snow eh. The Oakland sidewalk, the street. Wala na wala na traffic. Diba? Nandiyan na lahat sa corner. Tabi-tabi. Ito, hindi pa clean yan. Ito main road. Itong busy road. So, you can see. Laking pinagbago. Luwang na street. Wala nang traffic. Because the storm, ang daming traffic, ang daming accident.